Hi guys, today is Lucy again and I've come to show you some more of my favourite fidget toys. This is my big giant fidget spinner and I've got these balls and they don't come out of it when I flip it upside down. And I've got these, this is a dog, my brother's. And this is mine, and it's a cat, and it's blue. And I've got this rainbow squeezy ball with foam inside, with white foam inside. And I've got this yellow marble fidget, and this purple marble fidget, and this orange squeezy ball, and this fidget spinner, and this fidget spinner, and this green ball that I got for my brother out of my money, but he thinks it's his, but I bought it for him. And I've got this, it's mine, and this pea puppet, and I've got a cube, and you have to try and build it, but when I pick it up, it'll just break. And I'm building the cube, and I've got this, and I've got a ball in here, and it's a maze. You have to try and get the ball out of the maze. I've got pea puppet, this Rubik's cube. It was a key ring, but but it snapped off. And this big thing, I had to put all the little pieces in it. And I've got this gold squeezy fidget, and it's really sparkly. It's got gold glitter in it. And I've got this squeezy pink stretchy man, but my face rubbed off. And I've got my brother's green stretchy squeezy sticky man, and his face is kind of rubbed off. And I've got this room, and it's kind of like a Rubik's cube, but you have to make it into a cube. And I've got this unicorn slinky. I've got one like this, but it's yellow. Hi, I'm Mr. Unicorn. And I've got this pink and orange squeezy thing. And I've got this Rubik's cube. Oh no, pieces snapped off. And I've got this Rubik's cube, but the piece snapped off, and I just put it back on. And I've got this gold Rubik's cube, and then when you turn it, it turned into a cube. And I've got this, and you have to try and get the colours in order. There's a red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, blue and purple and pink to solve. You have to get red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, all down them lines. And this is my last thing, and I've got this, what you turn like this. That was my last thing. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I really want you to like and subscribe.